friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a beautiful install. This is different. This is fun. I've tried wigs like this, but they haven't been in human hair, and this is human hair. Let's get into today's install and review. Today's hair sponsor is Wiggins Hair. I've actually collaborated with Wiggins a few times on my channel. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 pre-everything glueless wig. This is in the loose deep wave texture, and this is the style braided wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, bleached knot. That's what a pre-everything wig means. Everything that you can do for the wig, they've done it for you. It's the most beginner friendly wigs because you don't have to do anything. You can wear this wig straight out of the box. You can just, it comes with these little tapes that you can apply to the hairline. Let's try this on. This is a braided wig. It comes already braided. I can't believe that. What a time to be alive. Oh, why is this so cute? OMG. Wow. Noticing that the ear tabs, it's a little big here, so they cut baby hairs for me. So what I'm going to do is free my ear. So I'm just gonna cut right here. That way my ear can be free. Yeah, that's much better. So not much detailing needs to be done, but I would say go ahead and fit it to your head just so it could fit a little bit better. I'm gonna do the same thing here. It's very big head friendly. It does come with the tapes that you can adhere to the wig, but I'm gonna choose to just secure her a little bit down the sides. Are you guys witnessing how easy this is? Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit on my comb for the front. Okay, so it has baby hairs. Now let's deal with the baby hairs. I'm gonna go in with some melting spray for the baby hairs. I don't like my baby hairs that long. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart. Oh, say I'm not sensitive. Ooh, there we have it, y'all. That is super beginner friendly, super easy. Wow, I'm impressed. But I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard. But sometimes you can wear this wig straight out of the box. You can just put her on and go. You don't even have to secure her. It gives you glueless options. It comes with these little tapes that you can apply to the hairline. So you can just secure them here, and then you can have everywhere else glueless, or you can put it throughout the perimeter. Today I chose to do a glueless install using spray adhesive just because I wanted the braid to look as flat as possible. I think that's what I achieved. I love the braid. It looks so natural, and that's 13x6 part, and it is a big body 13x6, so you can part it all throughout. And the color of this wig is jet black. I love black hair. The darker the better. There's a lot of hair that's braided in this portion of the wig. The wig has an extremely full density and loose deep texture is so pretty, y'all. 24 inch, I would say it is true to length, is laying where a 24 inch would lay in its styled length, so I'm happy about that. Guys, the wig is beautiful. Definitely check it out if this is something that you might be interested in trying. Of course, you can take out the braid when you get sick of wearing it in that style, so it's just really cute if you want a cute braided look but you don't want to do the work, and then have, you know, options to style it traditionally. Because of that 13x6, you can do pretty much any updo and anything, like more braids. You can add 1 braid, 2 braid, 5, who knows, you can add them all. Anyways, I hope this review was helpful and informative for you. If you enjoyed watching, leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this braided wig. I'm into them, so I hope you guys are too. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.